Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notifications whenever I upload a new video. So officially it's going to be fall anytime here in Kuwait. So this is my first eye makeup look for this fall season. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. Now to begin with, we are going to prime my lids with the Wet n Wild Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend it well and then set it with some translucent powder by Colourpop. I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill's palette, and I'm going to use my favorite crease shade called Butter from that palette, and I'm going to blend it well until I'm happy with the intensity of the color on my crease area. Now for the next color, I'm going to use this color called Jacz from the same palette. It's a beautiful maroon brown shade, but it doesn't show up on my lid, guys. So what I'm going to do is first pat the product till I'm happy with the intensity of the color and then blend it well. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend out that edges with my crease color so that there are no harsh lines. And the next shade that I'm going to use is this color called Chip. It's a beautiful dark brown shade. I'm going to apply it on my outer 1/3 area. So I'm just creating a nice V and I'm going to apply that shade over there so that there's more intensity on that outer V area. And I'm going to use the same maroon shade and I'm going to apply it and increase the intensity of that color on my lid, and I'm going to slightly bring it to my inner corner. Now again with a blending brush, I'm going to blend out that harsh edges with some shade called Butter on my brush so that it looks well blended. I'm going to take this shade called Pukey and apply it on my inner corner, but that doesn't look that great. So there's another color called Creamsicle from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it over Pukey so that there's a beautiful yellow transition there. Now for the final time, I'm going to apply the maroon shade and I'm blending it well with the yellow shade, and then again going on to my crease so that everything looks well blended. I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Define and Jerry Brown to define my brows. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas with small and light strokes, and then I'm going to brush it through so that it looks all natural, guys. Now for my under eye dark circles, I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to apply it and blend it well with Nika's blender. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to set it with some translucent powder. And my brush was dirty, I guess, because there's black fallout. I'm going to clean it out later. I'm going to use the same dark brown shade on my low waterline like so, and then I'm going to go with maroon and then with a shade called Pukey on my low waterline. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend all my low waterline with the same blending brush. Now to define my brow bone area, I'm going to use the Balm's Mary Luminizer. I'm going to add, okay, there's too much product there. I'm going to blend it out with my finger. And once I'm done, I'm going to use yellow as my inner corner highlight from the same palette. The color is called Creamsicle. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Maybelline's Hyper Glossy eyeliner, and I'm going to create a very thin, close to my lash line as possible liner, because I don't want to go with a winged liner for this look. I want to keep it very simple. I'm using Maybelline's Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black, and I'm going to cover my upper and lower waterline with the same kajal. And now I'll curl my lashes and apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. And the clumsy girl comes again. I have some mascara on my upper eye area, and I'm going to clean that out and go ahead and add falsies if you wish to. And this is the final look, guys. This is my first fall eye makeup look, guys. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like this eye makeup look, and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, guys. It will mean a lot if you would hit that subscribe button. And yeah, and watch my other videos on my channel, guys, if you like some DIYs, nail art, crocheting. go watch my channel out. Take care. Bye bye.